Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Wild Rift login error. If you're facing login errors in League of Legends Wild Rift, such as login timeout or unable to connect to the server, here's a quick fix guide. First, check if Wild Rift servers are up by visiting Riot's official server status page or sites like Down Detector. If servers are fine, restart both your device and router to refresh your connection. You can also try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is network related. For Android users, head to Settings, open Apps, find Wall Drift, and clear both cache and data. Lastly, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. If issue persists, uninstall and reinstall Wild Rift to replace any corrupted files, then enable auto updates so you're always on the newest patch. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.